Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Days. In today's video we are going to talk about the latest update regarding the layer edge humanity protocol, humanity identity. So after then we have completed our CLI base node and browser base node accumulating point. So they now said that we are going to verify our humanity, like human activity. So we need to verify that, we need to confirm that we are really human, and before we are being eligible for the layer edge airdrop. So without being saying much, if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload the video. So again, in my own view, like layer edge, like they brought like a new update which is like it is not being really happy. Like community are not really happy with the humanity verification that we need to do. So after then we buy the CLI base node. So only like this CLI base node, it is the main thing that will like recognize our humanity identity, or like it is the main thing that we are going to verify that we are human. So as my own understanding, like both cannot go and buy a gas fee under like same blockchain that they want and buy a CLI base node from the other website and come back link of it with the base browser like with CLI base node point. Both cannot do all this. Like both cannot go through all this all the long way and go to buy CLI base node and from the other website and get back to a link of it with the layer edge website. So as simple as like as my own understanding, so like they made it like clear that they said that we are going to verify our humanity, but which is not obvious, which is really obvious for the community. We don't like really appreciate it. So before we go up to that, so don't forget to come and claim your daily reward, because like even though the CLI based node and browser based node have been completed, so you just have the right, like have the chance to come and reclaim a daily stake, which will be going to increase your point massively. And then again, C3 in airdrop, it used to increase point when calculating the airdrop, because this trick, it has a very important measure when they are calculating the airdrop. So let's get back into layer edge Twitter X account so that we may see like did they dropped the latest update regardless the humanity protocol or other something. So let's go humanity verification. I'm sorry. So here is the X account for layer edge, like we have 2.296k followers. So and regardless of humanity protocol, proof of humanity. So as you can see, like here is the roadmap of layer edge. Like they has made it like since they had settling the layer edge roadmap. We have aggregation model, settlement model, DevNet, which is for developers, and then testnet, which is included CLI based node and CLI and browser based node. So here is so only the thing that is left for us here is the proof of humanity, and then again we are heading to mainnet. So here is so definitely like here is the main, like here is the two major update that is left for us, like to be heading to the mainnet, and the location checker will be live for us. So we are really like praying the testnet to be short so that we will benefit it and look for another one to move on. So here it is. If this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the latest update. Thank you.